Have you ever wanted a lush indoor jungle without the mess of soil, bugs, or constant maintenance? What if I told you there are plants that can grow beautifully in nothing but water? No dirt, no complicated care, just clean, simple, aesthetic greenery. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 incredible indoor plants that thrive in just water. Perfect for beginners, busy people, or anyone who loves a minimalist vibe. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll share some pro tips that will keep your water plants alive and thriving for years. Number 1. Lucky Bamboo. First up, we have the iconic Lucky Bamboo. This plant is probably the most famous water-grown plant, and for good reason. It's incredibly easy to care for and is often associated with luck, prosperity, and positive energy. Why it's amazing? Grows perfectly in water, no soil needed, can thrive in low to medium light, looks stunning in glass containers. You've probably seen it styled with pebbles and a clear vase. That's not just for decoration. The pebbles help support the stems and keep them upright. How to care for it? Use clean, filtered water if possible. Change the water every 1 to 2 weeks. Keep the roots submerged, but not the entire stalk. One important tip: avoid direct sunlight. It can burn the leaves. This is the perfect plant if you want something low effort but high impact. Number 2. Pothos. Next, we have one of the easiest plants in the world, pothos. If you're a beginner, this is your best friend. Pothos is famous for its trailing vines and its ability to survive almost anything. Why people love it? Grows fast in water, can be propagated easily from cuttings, looks beautiful hanging or cascading. All you need to do is cut a vine just below a node, place it in water, and watch roots start to grow within days. Care tips? Keep the node submerged, place in indirect light, trim regularly to keep it full and bushy. The more you trim it, the more it grows. It's basically a self-rewarding plant. Perfect for shelves, desks, or even hanging jars. Number 3. Heartleaf Filidendrin. If you love pothos, you'll also love the Heartleaf Filidendrin. It has soft, heart-shaped leaves that give a warm, cozy vibe to any space. What makes it special? Thrives long-term in water. Elegant and slightly more delicate look. Super low maintenance. It's often confused with pothos, but the leaves are thinner and have a more graceful appearance. Care tips? Use a clear glass jar to monitor root growth. Change water every couple of weeks. Keep it in medium, indirect light. This plant is perfect if you want something that feels a bit more aesthetic and calming. Number 4. Spider plant. Now let's talk about the fun and unique spider plant. This plant is famous for producing little baby plants called spiderets. And guess what? These babies grow incredibly well in water. Why it's awesome? Extremely easy to propagate. Great for beginners. Known for helping improve air quality. You simply take one of the baby plants, place it in water, and it will quickly grow roots. Care tips? Keep only the roots submerged, not the crown. Place in bright, indirect light. Refresh water regularly. It's a great way to multiply your plants and even gift them to friends. Number 5. Chinese Evergreen. Last but not least, the beautiful Chinese Evergreen. This plant is known for its stunning patterned leaves and its ability to adapt. What makes it stand out? Tolerates low light conditions, can grow in water with proper care, adds a tropical, decorative look. It's a bit slower compared to the others, but totally worth it for the visual appeal. Care tips? Use filtered or distilled water. Keep it in a stable environment. Change water regularly to prevent root rot. If you want a plant that looks premium and stylish, this is a great choice. Bonus tips. Before you go, here are some essential tips to keep your water plants thriving. Change water every 1 to 2 weeks. Use clean glass containers for a modern look. Add a drop of liquid fertilizer occasionally. Keep roots submerged but leaves dry. Avoid direct sunlight to prevent algae growth. These simple habits make a huge difference. So there you have it, 5 amazing indoor plants that grow in just water. No soil, no mess, just clean, beautiful greenery. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more plant tips and inspiration. And tell me in the comments, which one of these plants are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.